Hi, Russell Oliver here from russell-oliver.com, and right here I have in my fancy deck 4 business membership networks. That's right, ranging from being absolutely free from $10, $30, $50 per year and recurring on an annual basis. But I'll tell you what, before I talk any more about the memberships, I'm wiping these costs until the 25th of April. So for instance, if you sign up with any of these memberships right in front of you before the 25th of April, you've literally signed up for free for a whole year. That's right. Just remember that these memberships recur on an annual basis. However, for low cost, you're going to get a lot more value. So let's get into the crux of it. If you're wanting to have live coaching sessions, monthly webinars, social media reviews, video tutorials on Facebook ads, YouTube, making YouTube viable for your business, the marketing foundations for your business, the product augmentation techniques and strategies that you can incorporate, and a whole lot more. Join up with these business memberships today. I will talk to you more in depth in another video about these 4 fantastic business memberships: live coaching, monthly webinars, workshops, Facebook ads tutorials, YouTube tutorials, Facebook tutorials itself, creating Facebook pages, and also augmenting your e-store with your Facebook shops, and so much more. Get amongst it, join up, and be part of a fantastic growing community today. And just remember, because it's an introductory phase, it's at the growth phase, if you join up within the first month from today for free, you are going to get that first year for free itself. So please sign up, get amongst it, and be part of our community. And I'll talk to you guys and girls more about these memberships a little bit later on. Okay, see you later. Bye. Have a good one.